Today I'm going to teach you how to hide your email address on LinkedIn. This is a useful privacy feature if you want to control who can see your contact information on the platform. Let's walk through the steps to make sure your email stays private. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings for this. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn houses all the tools you need to manage your account preferences and control what others can see. Now that you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a navigation panel with different categories. Look for the option labeled Visibility and click on it. This section specifically deals with what information is visible to other LinkedIn users, so it's exactly where we need to be. Within the visibility settings, scroll through the available options until you find Email Visibility. This is the specific setting that controls who can see your email address on LinkedIn. Go ahead and click on it to open up the options. You'll now see a few radio button choices that determine who has access to view your email. To hide your email from everyone else, click the radio button next to Only Visible to Me. By selecting this option, you're ensuring that your email address remains completely private and won't be visible to any other LinkedIn users. And that's it. Your email address is now hidden on LinkedIn and only you can see it. This simple adjustment gives you more control over your privacy and helps you manage who can contact you outside the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.